Good morning everyone, welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in WTC Mall. And see, they have a nice painting in the wall. This is what I like in this mall. A painting. The painting. I like the painting of this wall. The person who paint this wall is very good painter. See, use a professional painter. I like the color rainbow. See. Anyway, I'm going to the supermarket. I need to buy what I need to cook today. You have a nice light here, that's why my face is different. I look pretty because of the light. Oh, the store here, the small store still closed. Maybe they're open 9 or 10 o'clock. Not yet 9. I don't know if the Lulu is already open. We'll see.